What's up, internet, and welcome back here to Universal Orlando. We are here for day number 2, starting off in Islands of Adventure. We were over in Universal Studios Florida yesterday, took the Hogwarts Express, and we got drenched on all the water rides here. But we're back again for day 2, and we have a lot that we still need to check out, and so I'm super excited. Still recovering from yesterday because it was a very exhausting day, but it will surely be an adventure here at Islands of Adventure. We are making our first stop here in Seuss Landing. We're gonna go check out the Cat in the Hat ride. As a big Cat in the Hat lover as a kid, Dr. Seuss fan, it should be very fun and colorful, I expect.
With a cup and a cake on the top of my hat. So tasty. I saw her! Your mother is near!
We made our way over to the Marvel part of Islands of Adventure, and it's so weird seeing this here at Universal and not Disney when Avengers Campus is opening at California Adventure. Apparently Universal have the rights to the Marvel characters here on the East Coast, whereas on the West Coast Disney will be opening Avengers Campus. And it's really weird because it's all like the comics and not so much the movies. So it's definitely different. So we're here in line for one of the socially distanced meet and greets. We have Spider-Man over here, and I don't know who that is, but that's someone from the comics. Yeah, these socially distanced meet and greets are very weird, but I'm glad that they have the characters out and about. I feel like it really brings the whole energy, and it just makes it all the more fun here. Hi! How's it going?
Good, how are you? Nice to meet you. Are you filming for the Daily Bugle?
I am, yes. You know, I'm documenting everything, all the superhero stuff that you guys do.
Well, in that case, you're cutting in on somebody else's paycheck, I think, right?
Oh, that's true. That's true.
Maybe.
But I hear you guys are doing a great job, keeping everything safe.
We're trying, yeah.
Oh yeah, appreciate it. We are back in Hogsmeade and Hogwarts once again here in Islands of Adventure because we got a virtual line pass for Hagrid's Motorbike Adventure Journey, the newest ride here at the park. This is something I've seen tons of videos on, and I am very surprised we got a virtual line pass considering how long we waited. I know Maddie's excited for it. I can't wait. I'm so excited we get to check it out. And look, there's the Hogwarts Express, which we will need to take at some point. Thank you.
We'll meet at the edge of the forbidden forest.
Oh my god, this is so good!
We'll have to run up the street before it's that hard or anything else. Don't worry, we're powering. Sorry, I never was great shakes at magic.
What? Where are we? I don't know what's happening.
You're tangled in devil's snares. Repeat, Lumos Solem after me. Lumos Solem. Oh, you found my missing screw. Now, hit those purple buttons.
Okay, so we just got off of Hagrid's Motorbike Adventure, and I have to say, that was easily my all-time favorite ride here at Universal Orlando. I think if you're gonna check out any ride, it's gotta be that one. And I'm very surprised that we even got one of those virtual line things, so, oh God. I did not know what to expect. It was a surprise around every corner, and I think there's something very fun about going on something for the first time. Right now we are heading onto the Hogwarts Express. Yesterday we took it from Diagon Alley over to Hogsmeade. Now we're taking it the other way because from what I hear, it is actually a different experience taking it in reverse. So it will be fun.
It's occupied, Harry.
Looks like a bunch of first years.
Let's keep looking.
Well, thank you for joining us on day 2 here at Universal Orlando. We had a blast going to Islands of Adventure, checking out Hagrid, and then coming over here. We have a lot more fun coming up. We have all of our Orlando fun Disney parks ahead. You're not going to want to miss it, so stick around and hit that subscribe button. Also hit that like button because I know you definitely enjoyed this video, hopefully, and I hope to see you next time on the internet. Seriously, someone in the comments, please tell me which character that is, because I don't know who that is next to Spider-Man. You know, Disney has the mouse magic, Universal has the wizard magic.